Hi Junior 2 kids, hope you are doing well. Today we are gonna learn the difference between rounding and front-end estimation. The goal of this lesson is to ease the addition and subtraction operations. Finding the value that is close enough to the right answer, usually with some thought or calculation. We have two methods. Number 1, rounding, and number 2, front-end estimation. Rounding means reducing the digits in a number while trying to keep its value similar. The result is less accurate but easier to use. For example, 73 rounded to the nearest 10 is 70 because the 3 is less than 5, therefore the number 73 will be rounded down. How to round numbers? Decide which is the last digit to keep. Leave it the same. If the next digit is less than 5, this is called rounding down. Increase it by 1 if the next digit is 5 or more. This is called rounding up. How to round numbers to the nearest 100. For example, 544. How to round it to the nearest 100? Here at the first put 2 zeros. Then look at the tens here 4. 4 less than 5, then keep it the 100 as it is, 5. Okay, how to round 589 to the nearest 100. At the first put 2 zeros. Next door here we have 8. 8 more than 5, then add 1 more to 5. 5 will gonna be 6. How to round 367. At the first put 2 zeros. Then look at the tens. Here 6. 6 is more than 5. Then add 1 more to 3. 3 will gonna be 4. 311. Put 2 zeros at the first. Look at the tens. Here we have 1. 1 here less than 5. Then keep 3 as it is. 300. 699. At the first put 2 zeros. Look next door, we have 9. Sure 9 is greater than 5, then add 1 more. 6 will gonna be 7. 624. How we can round it to the nearest 100? At the first put 2 zeros because we are 100 here. 2 zeros. Then look next door at the tens. We have 2. 2 is less than 5, then keep it rest 6 as it is. Then 624 rounded to 600. 897. At the first put 2 zeros. Then look at the tens. Here we have 9. 9 sure is greater than 5. Then add 1 more to the hundreds. 8 will gonna be 9. Here we have 810. At the first put 2 zeros. And look at the tens. Here we have 1. 1 sure is less than 5. Then keep it rest as it is. 8 will be 8 as it is. 999. At the first put 2 zeros here. Then look at the tens. Here tens is 9. 9 is greater than 5. Then add 1 to 9. 9 will gonna be 10. We will write 10. Then 999 rounded to 1000. 901. At the first put 2 zeros. Look at the tens. Here we have 0. Sure it's less than 5. Then keep 9 as it is. 900. Estimate the sum by rounding. For example, round to the nearest 10. 26 plus 14. 26 rounded to the nearest 10. First of all, put 1 0 because of 10. Then look at the units. Here we have 6 greater than 5. Then add 1 to 2. 2 will be 3. Then 26 rounded to 30. Here 14, round it to the nearest tens. First of all, put 1 0. Look at the units. We have 4 less than 5. Then keep 1 as it is here. We have 10. 30 plus 10 will be 40. Estimate the difference by rounding. For example, round to the nearest hundreds. 597 minus 268. 597, first of all, put 2 zeros. Then look at the tens. We have 9 more than 5. Then add 1 more. 5 will gonna be 6. 600. Minus 268. At the first, put 2 zeros. Look at the tens. We have 6 more than 5. Then add 1 more. It will be 3. 300. 600 minus 300 will gonna be 300. Front-end estimation. The goal of front-end estimation is to ease the addition or subtraction problem by using mental math. To carry out front-end estimation for any number, write the first digit of this number from the left, otherwise the digit that has the greatest place value. Then consider the other digits as zeros. For example, 478 will be 400 and 323 will be 347 will be 40, and so on. In case of front-end estimation, we don't consider the rule of less than 5 or more than 5. Basically, in front-end estimation, to estimate 54, at the first write the first digit, 5 as it is, then consider the other digits zeros. Put 0 here. Here 58, to estimate it, write the first digit as it is 5 and consider the units 0. 367, at the first write 3 as it is here and consider the other digits zeros. 311, you will write the first digit as it is 3 and consider the tens and the units zeros. Try to study the other examples yourselves. How to estimate the sum using front-end estimation. As a digit of the highest place values, insert zeros for the other place values. Example 447 plus 259. 447 will be, you will write 4 as it is and consider units and tens zeros. Plus 259, write 2 as it is and consider tens and units 2 zeros. 400 plus 200 will be 600. How to estimate the difference using front-end estimation. Subtract the digit of the highest place values. Insert zeros for the other place values. For example, 576 minus 245. 576 will be, write the first digit as it is, 5 will be 5 as it is, and consider the other digit zeros. It will be 500. Minus 245. Write the first digit as it is and put 2 zeros. Now, 500 minus 200 will be 300. What is the difference between rounding and front-end estimation? Here, estimate 867 minus 355. Round to the nearest hundreds. And here, front-end estimation, estimate 489 minus 131. Subtract the values of the front digits. Here, 867. At the first, you will put 2 zeros. and look at the tens. Here we have 6 more than 5, then add 1 more here. It will be 9 minus 355. At the first with 2 zeros, look at the tens. We have 5, then add 1 more. 3 will gonna be 4. Now 900 minus 400 will be 500. In front-end estimation, we don't consider the rule of less than 5 or more than 5. 489, you will write the first digit as it is 4, as it is, then put 2 zeros. Minus 131. 131 will be estimated to 1 will be as it is, then put 2 zeros. Now 400 minus 100 will be 300. Guys, you can study this by yourself. Review. What is estimation? Estimation is the value that is close enough to the right answer. Yes. What is the difference in rounding and front-end estimation? When you round, the result will be less accurate. Will you be able to estimate using the two methods you have learned? Thank you, kids. Hope to see you again.